If you begin taking your Social Security benefits before full retirement age and you're still working, you could be costing yourself thousands of dollars in income. In this video, we will review what the earnings test is and answer some of the most frequently asked questions to help you to avoid some of the common pitfalls that others make. Hi, my name is Mark Singer, founder of Your Retirement Authority and president for the past 30 years of Safe Harbor Retirement Planning. If you're interested in up-to-date and timely information about how to maximize your Social Security benefits and your retirement income, subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell to be alerted to when we post new videos. So let's start teaching today and let's talk about what is full retirement age. And let me take you to my screen to show you what it is. As you can see, full retirement age is based on your year of birth, and if you're born between 1943 and 1954, your full retirement age is 66. If your year of birth is 1960 or later, your full retirement age is 67. And if it's somewhere in between, like me, I'm 1955, mine is 66 and 2 months. So here are some of the rules for the annual earnings test. If you apply for Social Security before full retirement age and you work, $1 in benefits will be withheld for every $2 you earn over $17,640 as indexed in 2019. The benefit will be adjusted at full retirement age. You will start at that point to start getting back some of the withholdings. We do recommend that you don't let the annual earnings test discourage you from working. But to avoid the earnings test, wait until full retirement age or later to apply for benefits. So now that you know the rules, let me share with you a story. Bobby, many years ago, is somebody that I worked with. She was a client, and she was interested in taking her grandkids to Disney, right? We all are. So she came to me and she said she needed an extra $7,000 to $8,000 to fund the trip. And she was working part-time at the time and decided to pull in some extra hours in order to get the extra earnings. She was not yet full retirement age. And when we sat with her accountant and went through the numbers, unfortunately, she hit all the thresholds. In essence, the bottom line was, with the tax on Social Security is taxed, in addition to the earnings test where she's having to have Social Security benefits withheld, the net effect of her going out and earning an extra $7,000 to $8,000 was that she was only going to keep about 30% of that. The rest was going to taxes. So it's really important to talk to your advisor or to your accountant to make sure before you go about and do this whether or not it makes sense. By the way, there are 567 different claiming strategies to maximize your Social Security benefit. If you're interested in learning more and want to see the next video, we are going to be talking about how to estimate your Social Security benefit. We'll talk about what you need to know and some of the mistakes to avoid. So if you want to see more about what the description is, click the link below to find out. So let's go to some of the frequently asked questions with regards to the earnings test. So the first question is, I will turn full retirement age in June of next year. If I start my benefit in January, how much can I earn without having benefits withheld? Now, under the earnings test, there's actually a different calculation for the year in which you retire. You can actually earn $3,910 as indexed in 2019 per month without having benefits withheld. So if this person next June retires, yet 6 months before that she starts to take her benefit, she will be able to earn for the first year earnings test upwards of $3,910 without having benefits withheld. The next question we have is, I plan to retire on November 1st at age 65. Prior to my retirement, I will have earned $100,000. Will any of my benefits be withheld? Well, the answer to that is not if you have any further earnings in that year once you start benefits in November 1st. There is another rule that says under the first year monthly earnings test, as long as you do not earn more than $1,470, that's indexed for the year 2019, in any month after benefit starts, no benefits will be withheld, regardless of how much you earn prior to starting benefits. So it's important to recognize that there is a test for before you reach full retirement age, and then there are two different calculations for the year in which you retire and claim your Social Security. If I retire November of this year and receive a severance package January of next year, will this income be subject to the earnings test? And the simple answer here is no. Payments received on account of retirement are not subject to the earnings test. I am over full retirement age. My spouse is under full retirement age and working. If she takes a spousal benefit off my record, will it be subject to the earnings test? And the answer here is yes. Even though your benefit would not be withheld because you are over full retirement age, your spouse's spousal benefit would be withheld because she is under full retirement age and working. Finally, I do hear on occasion, can I get my earnings under the threshold by contributing $5,000 or more, whatever is the threshold, to a retirement plan? And the answer is no. Social Security Administration looks at gross earnings. So as you can see, sometimes, depending upon what the situation is, even something as simple as the earnings test isn't that simple. So you really need to know the rules. As I said, there are 567 different claiming strategies for Social Security. If you're still confused and you wish to maximize your Social Security benefits and your retirement income, and wish to develop your own personalized retirement income plan, click on the link below to become my client. Also, if you liked this video, subscribe to our channel, tell your friends. And thank you very much for watching, and we hope you enjoy the retirement journey.